Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily turn off the haptic feedback in Identity 5 game. First of all, launch open Identity 5 game on your Android or tablets and log in. Once you're inside the home screen, go to the upper right corner and look for the gear button, tap on that, and inside this settings menu, look for the sound option from the left hand side menu. Underneath sound, scroll down and look for the vibration option and switch off the button right next to vibration. Tap on off and you'll be able to turn off the vibration or haptic feedback in the game. Now, you can exit this menu and the changes will save automatically. Now Identity 5 will run without vibration, which can make gameplay quieter and even help save a bit of battery since haptic feedback uses the phone's or your tablet's vibration motor. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.